Now we are going to solve important NEET and JE type of problem. See here, a particle is moving in a circle of radius r centered at O with a constant speed v. The change in velocity in moving from P to Q is asked. Now see here given this is the point as P and this is the point as given Q. Now this particle moves in the circular path. As it moves from point P to point Q, here radius vector, this radius vector makes angle 40 degrees there. Now since velocity is a vector quantity, its direction changes when it moves from P to Q. Since direction changes, so that velocity changes. To find change in velocity when magnitude of the vector remains constant, there is a formula to find change in velocity delta v bar, mod of delta v bar. Change in velocity is equal to mod of v2 bar minus v1 bar. For this, what is the formula in the sense? Square root of v2 square plus v1 square minus 2v1 v2 cos theta, where theta is the angle between V1 and V2. To find angle between V1 and V2, what we have to do means this V1 vector we slide parallel to the parallel to itself. When we translate the vector parallel to itself, then that vector magnitude and direction do not change. Vector magnitude and direction do not change. So that we can assume that this can be translated. See here, this V1 is translated from here to here. V1, this is translated from here to here, we assume. So V1 is in this direction is there. Now see here, angle between V1 and V2 we are going to find. Angle between V1 and V2 means this right angle triangle, this 40 degree means this is 50 degree. Here 90 degree, so that this angle becomes 40 degree. Now angle between V1 and V2 is 40 degrees there. So now we found angle between V1 and V2 as 40 degree. And also here V1, mod of V1 is equal to mod of V2, because here given that the speed is constantly is there. That means here mod V1 is equal to mod V2. Since mod V1 is equal to mod V2, that means equal magnitude of vector. Like that is there, means by substituting and simplifying, we will get a formula as delta V is equal to 2V into sine theta by 2. Here theta is the angle between V1 and V2. Here angle between V1 and V2 is 40 degree. So by substituting answer 2V sine theta place, we have to substitute 40 divided by 2. 40 by 2 is 20. So that answer is 2V sine theta by 2. Sine theta by 2 is sine 40 by 2 is sine 20. Sine 20 we are getting. So change in velocity is equal to 2V sine 20. 2V sine 20 is option D. Hence answer is option D. Option D is correct answer.